In this video, I will show you how to weave a bike basket. It's a unique design with its flat back, foldable handle and leather straps for the handlebars. I'll guide you through the whole process from making a semicircular base, attaching uprights and using different weaving techniques like wheeling and randing. I'll show you how to make a top border and fix the handle. And this is a very practical and quite a unique basket to weave. So I hope you have time to saddle up and get weaving. So if you're interested in learning more about this video, just click the link below.